Good morning, dear students. Last class I told fundamental and basic points of trigonometry. What are the definitions of different types of trigonometry functions, and at the same time reciprocals of trigonometric functions also I told. Today we'll discuss about trigonometric identities. Trigonometric identities, about all these identities today I'll give proof also. First one is the trigonometric identities. First, trigonometric identities. Number one is sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Second one is secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1, or in some textbooks like this also. Secant square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. Third, cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1, or we can write cosecant square theta is equal to 1 plus cot square theta. Like that, three types of identities are there in trigonometry. Sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, and second one is secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1, or we can write it as secant square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. The last third one is cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1, or we can write cosecant square theta is equal to 1 plus cot square theta. Like that also we can write. But all this proof is there. How we are getting 1? Sine square theta plus cos square is equal to 1. And how we are getting 1 for secant square theta minus tan square theta. That is secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Similarly, the last one is cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. You may learn about all these lower classes, but you will see different types of formulas. ಈ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಟೀಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲೂ 1 ಹೆಂಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಸೈನ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಕಾಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 1 ಹೆಂಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಸೀಕೆಂಟ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಮೈನಸ್ ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 1 ಹೇಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಕೊಸಿಕೆಂಟ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಮೈನಸ್ ಕಾಟ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 1 ಹೇಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತದ್ದು ಇದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಈ 3 ಐಡೆಂಟಿ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಇವತ್ತು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಅದ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಪ್ರೂಫ್ನು ಹೇಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ 1 ಅಂತ ಅದು ಕೂಡ ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಈ ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಸ್ ಒಂದು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾದ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಸ್ ಬರ್ತಾವ, ಒಂದು ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ನಮಗೆ ಸೈನ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಕಾಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 1 ಅದರದ್ದು ಎಷ್ಟೆಷ್ಟು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಸ್ ಬರ್ತಾವ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಸೀಕೆಂಟ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 1 ಅದರದ್ದು ಏನೇನು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಸ್ ಬರ್ತಾವ. ಕೊಸೆಕೆಂಟ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಕಾಟ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 1 ಅದರದ್ದು ಏನೇನು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಸ್ ಬರ್ತಾವ. ಇವೆಲ್ಲನೂ ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. From one formula we'll get how many number of formulas we'll get, about that now we'll discuss. For example, say sin square theta plus cos square is equal to 1. From that, how many formulas? Sin can be converted in terms of cos, or cos can be converted into in terms of sin. Similarly, in the same way, remaining two formulas, secant square theta minus tan square is equal to 1. From this, how many number of formulas we can write? And secant square can be written as in terms of tan. How many number of formulas? The tan can be written as in terms of secant. How many number of formulas? Similarly, in the same way, last one is cosecant square term minus cot square is equal to 1. For that also, how many number of formulas we'll get now? For cosecant, which now how many number of formulas we can write in terms of cot? For cot, in terms of cosecant, how many number of formulas we can write? About all this today we will discuss now. First formula is sin square plus cos square is equal to 1. Let us now we are going to giving proof for first formula. First one is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Now we are going to giving proof for this. For all these three proofs, we are going to using a method of right angle triangle. In that right angle triangle, we are going to applying a statement of Pythagoras theorem. Generally, if you can about right angle triangle means must remember about the statement of Pythagoras theorem. Wherever it may be, just if you can see the right angle triangle, definitely we are going to applying that statement of Pythagoras theorem here. First formula namage sin square plus cos square is equal to 1 ಇದೆ. ಈ 3 formulas proof ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ right angle triangle application ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ನೀವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ರೈಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಒಂದು ಹೆಸರು ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು, ನಮ್ಮ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಮೈಂಡಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಪೈಥಾಗರಸ್ ಥಿಯರಮ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟು ನೆನಪಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆ ಥಿಯರಮ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟಲ್ಲಿ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. Say first one is right angle triangle. It is the right angle triangle. This is ABC is the right angle triangle. This is. It is the HYP and it is the opposite. It is the adjacent. ADJ means adjacent here. Theta is an acute angle here. I am going to taking at C. It is the theta is an acute angle here. Consider left hand side part. Consider left hand side part you consider here. Proof for this is, it is the proof. Considered left hand side parts, that is sin square theta plus cos square theta here is equal to sin square theta means what is sin formula? Opposite by hypotenuse, that is the AB by AC plus cos means what is the cos of the formula? Adjacent by hypotenuse, that is the BC by AC. As this square is there, I am going to writing square also here, because sin square plus cos square. For sin theta formula is opposite by hypotenuse. For cos is adjacent by hypotenuse. As this square is there, with the help of square, I am going to writing this AB by AC whole square plus BC by AC whole square. That is equal to AB square by AC square plus BC square whole dividing by AC square. Just we distributed this power to both numerator and denominator. Next, denominator is same. Denominator is here same. For these two fractions, denominator is same. That's what directly we are going to adding their numerators of those two fractions. See here, AB square plus BC square whole dividing by AC square. Here from this right angle triangle method, already I told about, whenever if you can see that right angle triangle, definitely you must remember about statement of Pythagoras theorem. Now from this right angle triangle ABC we can write HYP square. the square of hypotenuse square is equal to sum of squares of remaining two sides opposite and adjacent, like that hyp whole square is equal to opp whole square plus adj whole square. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲಾದರೂ ರೈಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಅಂತ ಕಾಣಿದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಪೈಥಾಗರಸ್ ಥಿಯರಮ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಹಾಗಂದರೆ ಹೈಪೋಟೆನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಅಡ್ಜಸೆಂಟ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್. That is, we can write in words, the square of hypotenuse is equal to the sum of squares of remaining two sides. HYP square is AC whole square is equal to OB, opposite is AB whole square plus BC whole square. That's what we can write. Instead of AB whole square plus BC square, we can write here AC square. That's what it is also can be written as, or AB whole square plus BC whole square is equal to AC whole square. This formula here we are going to applying it is equal to for numerator part AB whole square plus BC whole square can be written as AC whole square whole dividing by AC whole square here, and both are gets cancelled here, is equal to 1. That is equal to right hand side parts. Therefore we can write sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. It is the proof of this first theorem. It is, we are using this application, let it be put in box, otherwise should write at the rough side of solution also. After completion of this, directly move from this. After completion of this, directly move to this and started from this onwards, from this only. So I considered LHS part I considered here, and for that LHS part is sin square theta plus cos square theta. For both sine and cosine functions I have taken definitions from right angle triangle. That's what for sine is opposite by hypotenuse, for cos is adjacent by hypotenuse. Square is there as it is. I distributed square to both numerator and denominator. Now AB square by BC square plus BC square by AC square. At the same time, denominator is same now. Directly I added this numerator parts, and for that numerator part what we can write, for that I applied application of right angle triangle method. Right angle triangle method means I used that statement of Pythagoras theorem. At the numerator part I have written AC whole square, denominator part is as is AC whole square, and both are gets cancelled, and finally answer we are going to getting 1. That's what finally we can write sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So this first, next from this next identity, after completion of all identities, number of formulas I will tell you how we are going to converting formulas. Sin can be written as in terms of cos, how many number of formulas, like that I will tell you after completion of all identities. Now second identity is secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Second theorem proof this. Proof for this is proof. A right angle triangle, take here a right angle triangle. Here acute angle theta is there, ABC. ABC is there. It is HYP, AC is the HYP hypotenuse, and AB is the opposite, OPP nothing but opposite. Last one is BC is the nothing but adjacent, as the AD is nothing but adjacent, and theta have taken for theta is an acute angle here. Consider left hand side parts. Consider left hand side part. Consider left hand side part here. LHS nothing but here left hand side. Illi LHS andre left hand side, OPP andre opposite, ADC andre adjacent, HYP andre hypotenuse. LHS part is secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to secant can be written as, what is secant formula here? What we can write secant formula? Hypotenuse by adjacent. Hypotenuse by adjacent is the AC by BC, as it is the whole square is there, minus for tan what we can write? AB by BC whole square. AB by BC whole square it is equal to, distribute the power to both numerator and denominator, like that AC whole square whole dividing by BC whole square minus AB whole square whole divided by BC whole square. Here for these two fractions denominator is same. Directly we can write with help of subtraction of numerators also, like this. AC whole square minus AB whole square whole dividing by BC whole square. Next for that, here we must collect a formula for numerator part from the application of right angle triangle. Application of right angle triangle here. Right angle triangle is, what we can write for right angle triangle from this application? What we can write here? Hypotenuse square is equal to HYP whole square is equal to opposite square plus adjacent square. HYP square is the AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. For BC square we can write, send AB square this side, it becomes AC whole square minus AB whole square is equal to BC square. Or we can write, this is also can be written as BC square is equal to AC whole square minus AB whole square. It means instead of AC square minus AB square, what we can write here? BC square. Or instead of BC square, what we can write? AC square minus AB square. You can collect any one formula. For numerator part, here AC square minus AB square is there. That's what, in place of this I am going to writing BC square here is equal to. After completion of these steps, next we will start from this onwards. Numerator part, in place of numerator we have AC square minus AB square. Instead of that we can put here BC square. It is the BC whole square whole dividing by BC whole square this is. And both our gets here cancel is equal to 1 is equal to right hand side part. Therefore we can write Therefore, we can write 1 we got means first second result is we can write here that is secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Or we can write this as secant square theta is equal to send minus tan square to that side, it becomes 1 plus tan square theta. Like that we are giving proof